Tell them all. Whoever comes, whoever it is, I'll kill them. I'll kill them all.
Are you want this amazing eye effect? Watch till end. Open new project and select video. Go into effect. Open body effect. There is many eye effect.
Tell them. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them.
You can select which you like.
Tell them.
I like this one. These two eye makes
Tell
good effect.
Tell them all.
Apply on full video.
Tell them all.
Your video is ready.
Tell them. Tell them all. Whoever comes, whoever it is, I'll kill them. I'll kill them all.
Hope you like it. Follow us for more. Thanks for watching.